Hey there, this is Chad Nicely. On behalf of my good friend Precious, we'd like to introduce to you the Traffic ROI Machine. Now, chances are you're driving some sort of traffic, right? You're using Facebook, PPC, PPV, SEO, maybe you've got top rankings in the search engines, and you're driving that traffic over to an affiliate offer, a CPA offer, ClickBank, maybe you even have your own product. Now, what I'm about to let you in on, it's ultra powerful. It's something I wish I had 14 years ago when I got in this online business. It's something that I have since implemented in my online business. And I have a feeling it's going to be something that you are going to want to implement right away in order to see a higher ROI and increase your overall conversions. And we'll get to that here in a minute. But first, I have a question for you. Do you have sites that consist of those banners over there in the right-hand widget area? And do your pages and posts consist of those blue links? And you know what I'm talking about. Those links and banners that aren't making any money. They're advertising methods that don't work anymore. And to be honest with you, you're probably losing money in the process. Now, don't worry, because what if I told you we found a way to monetize any site in any niche, which has increased our conversions and it has thrown our ROI through the roof. And not only that, we have found a way to legally infiltrate YouTube and piggyback on some of the top authority figures in any niche, any market, any business. And when we introduced this new technology to our visitors, they were practically begging to buy products from us. So the question I have for you is, how would you like to have more leads and more buyers for your business without messing with those banners and those blue links and without having to drive any more traffic? And how would you like to piggyback on some of the top authority figures and marketers in any business? And that's what the Traffic ROI Machine does for you. Now, I know talk is cheap, so let me head over to my computer and I'm going to show you how ultra powerful this cool little plugin is. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so let's look at some of the cool features and benefits with the Traffic ROI Machine. Now, up here on my screen, you see that I have a standard WordPress blog here, okay? Nothing special. And obviously, this video here has this Bootcamp 21-day challenge. That's some kind of fitness video, weight loss, health, diet, okay? But this specific plugin will work for any niche out there. It doesn't matter if you have a cooking site and we have Rachel Ray featured on here, or Dr. Oz, or Oprah. Think about all the authoritative videos that are out there on the internet, and we know that we can very easily embed them on our sites. Okay, so here's where the real magic comes in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play this video, and I want you to watch out for those YouTube annotations. Okay, here's the video, and boom, now we see the YouTube annotation. But guess what? If I click this, this is actually not YouTube doing this. This is where the magic comes in, okay? We were able to take this video here, we were able to put this annotation here, but I can redirect them to the offer of my choice. So as we said in the introduction video, it doesn't matter if you're promoting a CPA product, a ClickBank product, maybe you have your own line of products. Watch what happens when I click this link. You can see that we opened up into a new window and I took them directly to Facebook for a related offer to my video. So do you see how you're very easily able to piggyback the authority of the video that's embedded on your site? Now, here's what's really cool. I'm going to show you how easily we made this magic happen. So I'm going to come back over here to the back end of WordPress. I'm going to come over here to this one that says YT Authorities. And the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the videos. Here's what's really cool. Okay, I have 4 different videos here, and you can see that I have categories. So I can create as many categories as I want. These two videos right here I have under a health category, but maybe I want another category for Forex or marketing, or it doesn't really matter. Cooking, it can be whatever you want it to be. Now, here's what's cool, okay? This is an all-inclusive plugin. So before I get into the actual video manager, I'm gonna come down here to settings, and I'm gonna show you some of the universal settings that you can make for your player. Obviously, you can set your width, your height. You have the option to hide the controls. You can autoplay the video. Your progress bar, you can set different colors. Displayer controls, you can have it to where it loads immediately, or it's delayed, or it doesn't do it at all. Keyboard controls, full screen display, show annotations, play video in loop. Do you want to show the YouTube logo? Yes or no? Do you want to show related videos at the end? I absolutely hate that. You can turn that off. You can display the video information. We have a dark and a light theme, and then you can have a start time and end time for the video. So once you get your settings how you want them, just go ahead and save your settings. Okay, so one step is down. So now let's come back over here to videos now that we have done our settings and we have these 4 videos. Okay, now first I'm going to show you how easily we can add a new video to our library here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click add new video, and you see this little box opens up and it's pretty self-explanatory. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put in a title. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my own title. I could simply just copy it from the video I'm gonna grab, but then I'm gonna come over here, we're gonna choose maybe this video right here. We'll go ahead and copy this link. I'll go ahead and pause this bad boy. And then we'll come back over here, we'll paste the link. Now remember, we have the option to put it in a gallery. This is a category. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in health, and I'm gonna click submit. And when I do, you will see that now, if we come over here to the videos, we have our new video right here underneath the health category. Now it's simply time to go and edit our video. So we're gonna go ahead and click this little blue guy right here. And you see here is our video, and here is our annotation. Now this is very easy. First of all, we can move this to any position we want. And from here on out, it's a matter of just customizing this annotation so that you're happy with it and you get the best conversions possible. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and I can choose a time where I want my annotation to start and where I want it to end. So I'll go ahead and make my annotation begin at 51 seconds. I'll make it last 1:41 minutes. I'll go ahead and put my text in here, which says discover how to lose weight in 7 days. And then if I want to choose a different font size, I can go ahead and increase it to 16. If we click preview, you will see that this font size is going to increase. Okay, that's how easily we do that. If we want to change the text color of the annotation, we can do that. If we want to change the background color, we can do that. Right now I have it set for default YouTube settings. So anybody that watches this video thinks that YouTube is actually putting those annotations in, which means they think the person that authored this video, whether it be Oprah, Dr. Oz, Rachel Ray, whoever, are the ones that put in the annotation. Once again, you are piggybacking on authority. We can set the transparency. If we want to change the transparency, we can go ahead and do that. So if I click preview, you will see that now the transparency is lighter. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back to 6. That is default for YouTube settings. Then we can change the active transparency. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this. If we want to increase the width, we can make this 315. Preview annotation, and you can see that now the width has increased. Now, there's some options here where we can have it show a little close button in the corner of the annotation. We can set that to yes or no. If we want to enable a link, obviously we do. We can go ahead and put a link here. Okay, I'll just put Google for now. And then if we want that link to open up in a new window, we can set this to yes. And then all we need to do is say active, add annotation, and you're going to see it appear right over here in this list. There it is right there. You will see that the duration is 51 seconds to 1:01. Here is the exact position, which is right here. Here is the link it's going to go to. And now what I can do is I can come over here and I can add another call to action. And this time, I don't want to overlap my first one, but you can. We're going to go ahead and set it for something like this. We can go back through all these settings. This time I want it to appear down here at the bottom, and I want it to go to Yahoo this time. Okay, so you notice I kept all the settings the same, so that way my annotations are all uniform. And I'm going to go ahead and click annotation, and now we have two different annotations. Now, the last thing we need to do, since we have these annotations set up, is we need to place them on our post. So we're going to come back over here to videos. And here is the video we just created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this short code here. And this works with poster pages. I'm going to come over here to all posts. And I'm going to go ahead and say add new. And I'm going to go ahead and post this here. And let's just go ahead and grab that call to action that we had. And then we'll go ahead and put that up there for the title. And we will say update. And now if we view the post, you will see that we have our video here. And remember, that annotation is set to appear in 51 seconds. So let me go ahead and fast forward that.
This took me over a year to lose this weight and maintain my weight right now. So it's not going to happen overnight. So
there is our annotation. I can click it. I'm going to get redirected over to Google, open up a new window. Guys, this is ultra powerful, very simple to use. And I definitely think that you guys can hit the ground running with this. Just think of the authoritative videos out there on the internet. Again, this was just a crash course video just to show you how simple it is to use. Definitely very powerful, something I will be using in my own online business. And when you're ready, just go ahead and click the button on this page, make your purchase, and get out there and start finding those authoritative videos. Again, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I want to wish you all the best.
Well, there you have it. I told you it was ultra powerful and very easy to use. So I encourage you to go through the rest of this page and check out some of the benefits and features with the Traffic ROI Machine. And when you're ready, there's a big button down below. Just go ahead and click that button and you will get access. And this is something that you can implement in your business right away, increase your conversions, and send your ROI through the roof. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to check out this offer. Keep us posted with your success, and hey, we will see you on the inside. Thanks.